Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to remote start your Cadillac Escalade. First, ensure your vehicle is locked and all doors are closed. The remote start function only works when these conditions are met for safety and security. This method is incredibly convenient for warming up or cooling down your SUV before you even step inside. It's a fantastic feature for comfort in any weather, making your daily routine much smoother. Let's get started with the basic steps. To use your key fob for remote start, begin by pressing the lock button once. This ensures your Escalade is securely locked. Immediately after, press and hold the circular arrow button, which is your remote start button, for about 3 seconds. You'll see the parking lights flash, indicating the command was received. The engine will then start and the climate control system will begin adjusting the cabin temperature to your last setting. This is the most common and easiest method. Beyond the key fob, you can also remote start your Escalade using the My Cadillac mobile app. This offers incredible flexibility, allowing you to start your vehicle from virtually anywhere with cell service. Simply open the app, select your vehicle, and tap the remote start icon. Additionally, OnStar subscribers can call OnStar directly to request a remote start. The app also lets you schedule recurring remote starts, ensuring your Escalade is always ready when you are. If your remote start isn't working, first check your fuel level. It needs to be above a certain threshold. Also, ensure there are no active warning lights on your dashboard, as these can prevent the system from engaging. If issues persist, consult your owner's manual or contact your dealership. Remember, safety first. For more great tips and to explore other deals, check the description below this video. You'll find a link there for the new Kindle Paperwhite and more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.